Lots of people like their teeth being whitened, and it looks like patients make a choice between, do I get it over the counter? Do I go to the doctor? And even there seems to be a couple choices where you can take a tray and go home with it and do what you have to do, or where you can take one of those whatever machines, Zoom machines, whatever they call them, a laser type of treatment, and within half an hour to an hour you seem to be having whatever shade of white you want. Shade some white on those options patients have, and when one would be okay and one would not be so okay.
Well, obviously, all options, they're all there because they are all options for patients and consumers to buy. Obviously, as a dentist, we always like the more professional ones, which are professional office bleaching. Here's why. The store ones that I usually purchase over the counter tend not to be as strong. So they will not give you the whiteness that you think. They will make your teeth whiter, but they will not give you. It's not as strong as the whiteness that we give you in the dental office. Second thing is they're usually not encapsulated, meaning they tend to run on the tissue, which will kind of burn your tissue, and if it's not done by tissue you mean your gums, your lips, or whatever. Yes, your gums and your lips, because obviously the ones that's over the counter, it's not custom made for you. It's not custom made for your mouth. So when it's not custom made for your mouth, the solution, the peroxide that's in the solution can run on your gums. It can turn your gums white. So it's not a good option. And the third most important thing, you need to get your teeth checked before you even do any type of bleaching. And if you're just buying over-the-counter products, you're doing the service to yourself, because maybe you're a person that should not have his teeth bleached prior. Maybe you have a cavity there that you're not aware of, and you're putting bleaching solution on, which will make it even worse. So a professional bleaching is much more effective. It's much more safer, and it's much more controlled. There's obviously different types of professional dental whitening materials, ranging anywhere from as low as $25 to as high as $600-700, and all those under a dental professional's guidance and office would make a much better experience.
Okay. Now, if a person does any one of those whitenings, let's say he does one which, is done in an hour and with the machine, and then, most likely we have stained teeth, maybe, because we do things like drink red wine, coffee, name it. So a year, 2, 3, 4 later, this thing comes back. Can you do then the whitening again, or is it like a heart surgery where every time you do it, it becomes, more critical and you shouldn't do it anymore?
No. You can definitely do it more often. For example, I bleach my teeth once a year. I have a touch-up kit at home, which is a custom tray that I have. So a lot of patients come in our office, and they do what we call Zoom 2. We have Zoom 1, and then now we have Zoom 2. And it bleaches your teeth within less than an hour, and your teeth are white. And obviously you maintain it depending on the type of food and drinks that you eat, because all that will cause eventually discoloration of your teeth. And then you just maintain it with take-home trays. So you get a quick boost, the whitest you can get with the laser, and then you maintain it with take-home trays. I believe that is the best option.
Great. What's the difference between a Zoom 1 and a Zoom 2?
It's a stronger light, so it bleaches your teeth much quicker, much faster, and much brighter.
Got it. Okay. Thank you very much.